Here's a quick review of the SmallRig RM120 RGB light. This is a great little light, and you can adjust the color temperature and super bright. That's the max, 100%. Let me adjust the color temperature here. Look at that. This is great for any product shots you want to do. And it's got RGB features here. You can cycle through these colors. This is a great little light. I probably wouldn't use this as my key light, but this is awesome. I mean, it's super bright, and I love that it comes with this softbox diffuser. Look at that, how bright that is. Whoa. And you can mount it either horizontally or vertically. And then there's your different light temperatures. Nice. I'm digging this. I mean, this is great light. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this. And it's SmallRig. I trust SmallRig. They're a great company, and I think you can't go wrong with this light, especially if you're looking for a light to do your product shoots and you don't have a key light. This will definitely do it.